Today we are going to make a very tasty eggless chocolate pudding cake. To make this dessert, we need these ingredients. First of all, to make the cake batter, combine flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder and salt together. Now we need to add milk, melted butter and vanilla into this. After that, pour this batter into a greased baking pan. Now we are going to make the chocolate sauce. For that, in a separate bowl, combine white sugar, brown sugar and cocoa powder together. When the mixture is ready, we need to sprinkle this on top of the batter. Finally, slowly add boiling water to the batter and bake this around 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. After baking, let it cool down around 5 to 10 minutes and then enjoy. If you add your favorite ice cream with this, you can make it more delicious. I hope you would like this recipe and share with your friends. If you like to get notified every time I drop a video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.